Now that we have our connectivity in place, we are now ready to use the loop drawing module. The simplest way to produce a loop drawing is to select the loop, right-click, and use the Smart Loop feature. InTools will automatically produce a loop drawing from the database based on our connectivity. The graphics in this drawing are directly linked to the project database. This means that our loop drawing is essentially a graphical GUI that allows you to make changes to your wiring and other data. For instance, if we need to examine this junction box, we simply double-click on its name and we are immediately taken to its properties page. Similarly, if we wish to edit the connectivity of an item, we can right-click on a connector and we are immediately taken to the wiring module connection screen where we can make our changes. Again, any changes we make in the wiring module will be reflected in our report as soon as we return, because the graphics displayed in our report is merely a reflection of what is currently in our database. We can also add comments and watermarks to our report. Let's add a watermark. After we enter our text, we will specify it to rotate 15 degrees. And now we can see that our on-hold watermark has been added to the report. Let's leave a message for another engineer by placing an oval on our drawing, and then we will add some text for our comments. These items are stored in the database. This means that even if another engineer regenerates the report from this loop, our comments will still be visible in the new version, keeping everyone up to date. If you need even more control over your loop drawing, there are several other options. Let's select our loop again, and this time we will select the Enhanced Smart Loop option. This produces a drawing with intelligent components that can be modified easily. For instance, we can move a panel by simply dragging it to a new location. Again, any additions or changes you make to this report will be retained in the database and will be included if this loop report is regenerated at a later time. Like other graphical reports, we can save this drawing in common CAD formats, such as AutoCAD and MicroStation. This means that any InTools user can supply these formats to others without having to learn or buy these other solutions.